Shree's leaving us.
She's like, I'm getting the fuck out of here.
Don't even fucking come over here.
What the?
He's getting real. Look, he's getting real.
Get him! Get him!
In the face! In the face!
Woo!
Yeah!
With the Marco t-shirt.
It seems that Riley has the advantage right now.
Shree's gonna run over y'all's ass.
Oh!
Oh! Good one! Oh!
You finally got the hang of it.
Yeah. See, look, he has the advantage because he has the faster towel wind up. Look, because the shirt's shorter.
Yeah, that's the science of it.
Yeah, look. Wait for Riley to attack, dodge it, and then hit. That's your best strategy. You gotta wait for Riley to attack.
Jump if Riley aims low and then just get him in the neck.
In the neck. In the
Shree,
neck.
come show him how it's done.
It's a standoff. It's a standoff. Oh!
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 Crack.
We're gonna get the police called on us. You know we're gonna get the fucking police called on us.
Hey, we're not making any bets, okay? And there's no need for the police. Start throwing down ones.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah, I got 10 on Riley. Yeah, come on, get him, yeah. Come on, I got money riding on your ass. You better
Don't fuck up, dude. We got money on your
don't
ass.
fuck up. Don't be a little bitch.
Pull your pants up. Now go Shree.
She's gonna fucking hit y'all. Oh, that was good. That was good.
Go get your hat.
I could not get a good hit off of him.
Wave.
Seriously, like fucking idiot.
All right, let's get the fuck.
Hat.
Here.
Let's go.